A nice short and sweet intro here. I'm just going to tell you in this video, how to screen record in Windows 11 without using any extra tools. You don't need to go and buy Camtasia or anything like that. It's inbuilt. Watch the video. I'll show you. Oh yeah, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. In Windows, there's always been a bit of a debate about, can you screen record? How do I screen record? I need to screen record. Do I need to buy some software for it? Well, in Windows 11, your problems have been solved. Go to the Windows menu and then search for Snipping Tool. Okay, so yes, you're probably aware of Snipping Tool, or aware of Snipping Tool. It allows you to take photos, pick the area that you want and so forth. However, we're not going to do that. What we're going to do using Snipping Tool, so bring it up again. You see this icon here? This is for videos. Click on that, click on New, select the region that you want to record. So I want to record that region there. And then press Start. And it'll now give me a countdown, and then it's going to be recording this. So there we go. I'm going to stop it, pressing that button there. And this is my actual video of it now. And if I press play on this video, you can see what I did. I clicked on different icons, and there we have it. That is screen recording in Windows 11. And then the next step, because it doesn't automatically save it, the next step, once you've reviewed it, is to click the save icon, choose where you want to save it. So I'll save it here, and I'll call it Windows Test Recording. Notice it's an MP4 file, which is good because pretty much everything uses MP4. Then click save. That's how easy it is to screen record in Windows 11. If you can please like this video, subscribe to this channel, that would be fantastic. Enjoy your screen recording.